Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a fake steam effect to your food video in CapCut. So here I've already imported a food video into CapCut and you can easily find the steam effect under the video effects. So let's go to the video effects, and in here you can find it on the nature category, and you can also use this search column to just type in the keyword. Okay, let's scroll down until you find, okay, this is the steam effect. So click on the effect. Here you can adjust the atmosphere. The atmosphere is the steam, and you can also adjust the speed of the steam itself. Okay, so you can see now on the video there will be a steam effect like this. Don't forget to adjust the length to match with the video. So that's how you can add a fake steam effect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.